yet.
For the second day in a row, employee shuttles were running at Tesla's Fremont plant, and many seen wearing masks. Outside, one woman posed for the cameras wearing an Elon Musk face with a message: "Thank you for wearing your Musk." It's one of many reactions pouring in after Tesla's CEO announced the plant was reopening in defiance of the county's health order. President Trump tweeting, "California should let Tesla and Elon Musk open the plant now. It can be done fast and safely." Musk thanked the president and replied to someone, "It's not often that the governor of California and the president agree." Operations appear to continue at the auto plant despite this letter from health officials Monday, warning Tesla its ramped-up operations are in violation of the health order and must stop until a site-specific plan is approved. While Musk tweeted, "If anyone should be arrested, it should be him," Fremont police say they are in a holding pattern while talks between the Alameda County Health Department and Tesla continue, and say even if they took enforcement action, it would likely be a conversation not involving arrests. County leaders have expressed disappointment Tesla didn't wait until the previously discussed reopening date of May 18th.
Yeah, May 18th was the date that the auto industry kind of set forth, but Tesla has been known since inception to really act and be more like a technology company than an automaker.
While U.S. automakers prepare to rev up, some internationally have resumed, including Ferrari, where employees in Italy are seen in a company video wearing masks and gloves. One auto industry watcher notes Elon Musk operates differently from traditional automakers.
A lot of his vehicles are already pre-sold before they hit the assembly line, so he knows that he needs to build these vehicles to get them out to the market, and that's why he wants to get moving much more quickly with the assembly plant.
One Tesla employee who works at the Fremont plant shared his perspective with KTVU, saying, "I do feel nervous about going to work just as much as I do when I go to the grocery store or to get gas," adding he wants to go back to work and feels safer now with stricter safety guidelines in place. A Fremont police spokeswoman says the department is available if the county needs them, but that everyone is hopeful this can be resolved without enforcement. Maureen Naylor, KTVU.